Hello, please take out Math Lesson 4.9, Missing Numbers, pages 97 and 98. We're going to work through this together. Today, we're going to fill in the numbers that are missing, okay? So, we have all these trash cans, and some of them have numbers on them, and some of them don't, and so we have to fill in the numbers that are missing. So, number 1 has been done for us. The number that comes after 1, of course, is 2, so we need to fill in number 2. Looks like the raccoon got into trash can number 2. After 2 comes 3. 4 has been given to us, and the last number would be 5. So we've filled in the missing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very easy. Turn over, and we're going to do the same thing on the back. They've given us 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, and in each row some numbers are missing. So, in number 1, we have 1, 2, a blank, and 4. What number comes after 2 and before 4? That is number 3. Number 2, we start with 2, 3, 4. What comes after 4? 5 comes after 4. That's the missing number here. In row 3, we have 0, 1, a missing number, and then 3, the number that comes after 1. And the number that comes before 3 is 2. So we need to write number 2. Here they have the first number missing. So they have 3, 4, 5. So I need to count backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2 would be the missing number. And now I can count forward. 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's how I fill in the missing number.